Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to film the year-end makeup inventory. So this is the finale. So it's like the last inventory of this year. And yeah, I'm so excited to look at these number. And yeah, so I have this new planner. So this is, let me just show you. I am a paper pen person, though I am from IT. Yeah. So yeah, you can see this is my inventory and budget planner. So I have my December inventory. Since I buy a lot of product review and stuff, so I thought I will keep everything in check. And for comparison, I have to bring the previous notebook as well, so I can do a side-by-side comparison at the end. So yeah, I'm going to compare December 2021 makeup inventory with the December 2020 makeup inventory. So yeah, let's just get started. So before we get into the video, if you are new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I love drugstore makeup, affordable fashion, skincare, anything of that sort. So if that's interest you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with the friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. You guys, so this is like the year end inventory. So I'm going to compare it to this December one. So let's just get started. This year I started YouTube, so I know the numbers will be high, but still I want to check how high is the high, where is the height. Okay, so yeah, I want to for me, I don't want to have like an overwhelming amount of collection which will just expire, because makeup has a shelf life. So yeah, that's that, and that's why I will like to have a decent size collection, not a small but not too large. So that's my objective. And yeah, we will see where are we in December 2021. Okay, so for primer, currently I have 7 primers. I will insert. Yesterday I took the videos and snaps. Why I have 7 primers? Maybe because I want to try different brands, and some are really different. Okay, the NYBay ones are unique, and the Mars ones are quite unique. So that is okay, but still I think that is a very overwhelming number. And last December I was just having 2 primers, so clearly a jump in this category. And yeah, I don't know why I bought so many, especially the repeats. Like, I don't need that much silicone primers. I have dry skin, so I have to keep in check. Yeah, and at least I think I should not try a new primer in 2022. Hope so. If something unique will launch, definitely I will try, otherwise I will not. Okay, next is foundation. So currently I have 10 foundation. Clearly a very big jump. And yeah, I bought so many foundation from same brands. I bought like so many Insight foundation like crazy. They launched so many good quality foundations, and they are different, but I don't know. So I think for foundation 10 is more than enough. It's liquid product, it will get expired. So I think the sad thing is a lot of my foundation are too dark. Okay, so I just do online shopping. So on because of that, I see a lot of beauty bloggers, NC35, they use that shade, and I don't think so. I'm currently NC35, like way too lighter foundation are currently matching me. So yeah, only 2 of my foundation are currently matching me, which is very disappointing. Like, how will I use my dark foundation? So that's that. And clearly I should properly check for my shade and then buy it. And yeah, that's that. And previously I was just having 2 foundation, so one of which I have already used up, the Fit Me foundation. So yeah, clearly a very big jump. I need to keep that in check, especially because it is liquid product. Okay, same goes for BB cream. I have 5 BB cream now. The good thing is that those BB cream are samples. They are not like big BB cream. So I the sample sizes. So I was like, let's just try other BB creams. Fun fact, not a huge fan. Okay, I think Mars BB cream is the best right now in the Indian market. So that's that. And currently the rest I just bought to test out. They are testers, small size. So I need to work on them, and I'm going to include all the samples in next project plan. And previously just one BB cream, the Pods one, that I have decided to declutter. I'm going to film a declutter, and seriously guys, if I'm decluttering something, I try to use everything. And if I'm decluttering something, either it is rancid or I really hate it. So that's that. And previously I just had one, so clearly a big jump, not a very big jump but still a big jump. Then we have concealers. I think this is the worst base category going on currently. I have 14 concealers. I don't have dark circles also. See, my reason of buying concealers are like, what I do, I just spot conceal and just apply it under my eyes, use as eyeshadow primer, and just cover the pigmentation around my mouth. Okay, so basically I use them as all over base, and that's why. But still 14 is way too much, especially for any liquid kind of products. So clearly I am good at using concealer, and see, they are like halfway gone, some are like 80% gone. So I've decided to put them in project pan, so hopefully this number will go down, hopefully. Okay. Yeah, and previously I have 3 concealers, so again a very big jump, need to keep in check. Thankfully this year I don't think so I tried any powder, maybe one. I am a dry skin person, so at least one category I'm not buying is the 1st January, where this is the 1st January when I'm filming this, and yeah, some disturbance will be there. Okay, so where was I? So loose, so for powder counting like 7 compacts, 1 loose powder. Instead this time I'm just powder is powder, that too for a dry skin person, powder is powder. Okay. Yeah, I currently have 8 powders. Previously also I have 8 powders, so this is the category which is under control, and clearly I didn't buy a lot, so that's good. At least something is good. Okay, so yeah, then moving on to the cheek products. Oh my god, now my main weakness is cheek products and eyeshadow, lipstick, clearly the color cosmetics. Okay, so this number have increased so much. So for bronzer I have 10. Okay, so for bronzer, since this number is a little minimal, okay, so I'm not separating it like cream and powder, you know what I get, what I'm talking about. So currently I have 10 bronzers, and which 4 are cream. Okay, including 4 are cream, so 6 are powder and 4 are cream, and 1 bronzer is a repeat. Don't know if I can pass it on to someone. I will definitely. Okay, there's no need for me to have same kind of bronzer twice. Okay, so that's that. And previously I just had 1 bronzer, so that time I was obviously not doing YouTube or as such, so I just had 1 bronzer, which is now in my project pan. That is my oldest bronzer, that's why I'm panning it. Loved it, still love it. Then blush. This is the category that needs help, clearly. Okay, so currently I have 24 blushes. Yep. So I have one elf duo also, I'm counting here, plus I have 10 cream blush, which includes 2 like marketed by brands like Cream Pot blushes, but I have some lipstick which I never use on my lips. So Miss Clear lip creams, they lack pigment, so I never use them on as a lipstick, maybe as a lip stain or something. So clearly I use them as blushes. I have some matte lipstick that mousse texture, I also use them as only cream cheek product. And then like I have some Maybelline lipstick which are slightly patchy and not that cute looking on my lips. I use them as my blush. You can use any lipstick as your blush, but these are the lipstick which I specially use just as blush. I don't use them as lipstick. That's why my cream blushes are 10. Okay, that's why. Okay, so that's why this category is like 24, including the elf duo. Now I was like, where to count this duo? So I am counting the blush in blush category and highlighter category. As of now I have 1, and I'm not planning to buy these duos and trios. Okay, and we have highlighter. I have 9 plus 1 of that elf one, that duo one. So currently I have 10 highlight. 4 are creams included in this, so same as bronzer. I have 10 bronzer including 4 cream. I have 10 highlighter including 4 cream, which is a coincidence. I didn't do it intentionally. So that's that about my cheek products category. Clearly, okay, so where we were last year, I forgot to mention. So for highlight, last year I have one highlight which is also in my project pan and I love it. So that is the Wet n Wild one. I clearly love it. Last year in blushes I was counting separately. So I had 4 powder blushes, 8 blushes in palette. So I have a blush palette now, I count that as 1. 6 liquid blushes. So yeah, I used to count them like that. So that's why I'm assuming 4 plus 6, 10, 11, 10, 11 blushes. Clearly a big for eyebrows. Now we are moving on to eyebrows, which is it's that category which I'm not interested. So I previously had 6 eyebrow products. Now I have 7 eyebrows products. So I have 4 pencil, 1 gel and 2 palettes. And yeah, this palette is like I'm using it constantly. So I think in 2022 this will be finished up. I'm very confident in that. So yeah, hopefully this will get back to 6. And yeah, I will try to use up the pencils also. I don't need that many pencils. We'll see that. Not a category which I'm interested in. Okay. So yeah, I don't buy a lot of eyebrow products. So that's that. Now eyeshadow palette and lipstick, I will tell you at the end of eyes category. Okay, I will tell you. So for mascara I have 8 mascaras and currently I have 3 opened. So I have a brown one, 2 black ones. I love them. And I don't go by the 3-month 4-month mark, and I just throw them when I feel that they are expired. Okay, I don't go by this expiry dates and all that. And previously I had 2 mascaras. Shocking. Like acha, so maybe I was just buying one and throwing one, aisa hi kuch hoga, because I am a mascara girl for a very long time before I was doing full face makeup. So I'm shocked that it was just 2. Okay, this year I have tried a lot of liners, like like kajals, different color kajals, then liquid eyeliner. So so this year the number is 9 for kajals, which include 5 black and 4 color. So that brings to the total of 9 and 5 black. And can you see a kajal? I don't wear kajal now. Back in the college days I was wearing a lot of kajal, but now I don't. So 5 is a little too much, so I clearly need to use them up. Then previously kajal I had 6 kajal. So that means I have bought 3 more kajals. So clearly I am not applying kajal these days. I don't know why. I have bought some colorful ones, so that's why. But if I have bought them, I should have used them. So yeah, after this video I will use the color one. Okay. So for eyeliner I'm speechless. I have 15 eyeliners. Why? Oh my god. 15 liquid eyeliners. They will go bad, I know that. Like, why I did that to myself? I'm shocked by this category, especially because previously I had 1 liner. That's a very big jump. And yeah, I need to keep that in check. I have some colored ones, this glitter one, that are fine, like, but still 15 eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, they will go bad fast. So yeah, in 2022 I should not buy any liquid liner, that's for sure. Lashes, previously I was not applying lashes, so this year I tried lashes. So I have a pack of 3 and 1, so I have 4 lashes now, which is okay for trying. I'm learning how to apply lashes. That's that. And now let's just get to the big category. I have 25 big palettes. So oh my god, this year I have tried so many eyeshadow palettes. and I'm going to do a video about them as well. But clearly 25 eyeshadow palettes is a little excessive. Okay, frankly speaking, I was not expecting this. So anything which have more than 4 pans I consider a large palette. Okay, so yeah, apart from quartz for that I have different category. So 25 is a little too much, clearly too much. And this year I'm thinking of buying no palette. I can try, but if something exceptionally pretty launch, I can try, but I will think. I'm not going to buy every new launches because clearly I am running out of space. I don't have space for more makeup, so that's also one of the reason. Okay, so frankly speaking, I am eyeing Norvina for almost a month or two, which is a lot. I forget about new releases, but the Norvina one had my heart. I love purple, and oh my god, I cannot stop myself from thinking about that. So if I can skip buying a palette throughout the year, then at the end of 2022 in Diwali or any big sale, the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, I will definitely give to myself Norvina one. So if I have that much patience, also if I can wait for an entire year without buying an eyeshadow palette, I will definitely treat myself. And I know I want it, and I know I want it at any cost. So yeah, wish me luck. So that's that. And 25 big palette is a lot, clearly. Then for quad I had 2, now I had 3. I don't buy that much, so this category I don't keep a check or such. Duo I had 1, I have 1, I don't count them separately though. And 4 singles I have 3 singles I have tried. So yeah, and single I'm thinking about not buying single eyeshadow, although the Miss Claire ones intrigue me a lot, but I don't think so I need them because मैं भूल जाती हूँ, they are just sitting there, I don't use them. So clearly I will not buy them. That's that. And previously last year I had 9 big palette, and now I have 25 big palette, which is clearly a very big jump. Okay, so that's that. And 9 pens are still fine, but I don't need to buy any more palette, even if it's 9 pen, clearly. So now again a very problematic category. So lipstick I have 44 as of now. Clearly before anything else, I was buying just lipstick. When I was in college, I used to buy just lipstick and kajal, so that's why. But let's just see how many lipstick I had last year, then we can compare. Okay, so lipstick last year I had 23, so now I have 44. Double, yeah, it's clearly double the number. So I have bought quite a lot this year. I think I should keep a check on that because of I'm like, let's just review this, review that, and lipstick keep on launching, so I bought them. But frankly speaking, the lipstick launched this year had my heart. They were beautiful, I don't regret them, and they were unique according to me. A lot of beautiful liquid lipstick this year I have tried. I used to never try liquid lipstick, so that's that. But still 44 is a lot. So yeah, clearly need to keep that in check. And lip gloss, this year I have tried lip gloss. Before that I have never tried lip gloss, so I have 2 now. It's okay. Again, a category which I have tried this year, I have never tried lip liners before. Yep, I was like, what's the point? But now I see a difference. So I tried once, I loved it so much that after that I have bought so many. I have bought 8 lip liners, so that's again a lot. I need to keep that in check. Yeah, but yeah, I don't want any. I'm so happy with the shades I have, I don't want any. So setting spray I have 6 now. I consider spray a spray. So if it's like a finishing spray, if it's a setting spray, all are in one category. So I have 6 sprays, and a lot of them are teeny tiny, so that's mini sample sizes, so it's fine. But clearly I should use them first before thinking about buying any. So that's that. Before that I was not tracking that category, so I cannot compare that, but I'm assuming 1 or 2. So last year I have counted 84 products. I don't know which category I was counting, like which, but on and on 84 products. This year it is 216, which is quite a jump, and I would ideally like it to be under 150 or 200 maybe, but I know it's not that easy, so let's just hope that this year that will be under at least 180. I will try to use 20 products, and especially the mini, like these kind of things I can use up. So yeah, that's that. So thanks for watching till the end. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.